Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we will start our chapter 10th and that is mensuration. Okay, so students, our first one topic is perimeter. What is perimeter, students? Whenever there is any figure given to you and they asked you to find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. What you have to do is to find the perimeter is simply you will see the length of all the sides and you will add them and you will get the perimeter. Okay, now there are some formulas related to the figures, like if there is a rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Why this formula, students? Because as we know that in a rectangle, suppose see here, this is a rectangle, right? So we know that the opposite lengths are equal. This side will be equals to this side. Similarly, these two sides will be equal, right? So if we are considering this as length, so this will also be length. If we are considering this as breadth, so this will also be breadth. So as I told you that sum of all the sides is the perimeter. So here length if plus breadth plus again length plus breadth. It means what we are having? We are having 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So 2 times length are here and 2 times breadth are here. So we can write it 2 times and in the bracket we can write length plus breadth. Okay, that's why the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Okay, now there is the perimeter of square and its formula is 4 into side. Why it is 4 into side, students? Because we know that in the square all the sides are equal, right? Means if all the sides are equal and there are 4 sides, so side plus side plus side plus side 4 times will be 4 multiply side. Okay, similarly in the case of perimeter of equilateral triangle, this is also 3 into side. Why 3 into side? Because we know that in a triangle there are 3 sides, right? And if it is an equilateral, so all the 3 sides must be equal. So the formula means the perimeter for the equilateral triangle is 3 multiply side. Now the perimeter of any regular figure. Regular word is used when all the sides are equal. Regular word is used when all the sides are equal. Okay, students, so suppose if it is given that in the figure, if it is given that a pentagon, a hexagon, heptagon like this, means you have to find the perimeter of a regular heptagon, pentagon, hexagon like this. So what will be its perimeter, students? It will be equals to number of sides multiply length of the side. Okay, how many sides does any figure contain? Multiply what is the length of that side. Why? Because we know that all the sides must be equal, right? So if the figure has 5 sides, then 5 into side. If it is hexagon, then 6 into side, right? If it is heptagon, then 7 into side will be the perimeter, right? Now some of the questions are given, we have to find the perimeter. The first question is a tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What does this mean? That there is a tabletop and its length is 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. And what we need to do is we need to find out the perimeter of the tabletop. So for this, what we will be doing, students? First of all, we will write that the length of tabletop is this, the breadth of tabletop is this one, then we have to find out the perimeter, right? So here we will write length of tabletop is equals to, what is 2 meter 25 centimeter, 2 meter 25 centimeter. Then we will be writing the breadth of tabletop. So breadth of tabletop is equals to 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now students, as we know that length and breadth are given, it means the tabletop is in the shape of a rectangle. So what will be the perimeter of tabletop? Perimeter of tabletop will be the perimeter of rectangle, right? And what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. So perimeter of tabletop will be 2 multiply length plus breadth. So 2 multiply, what is the length here? 2 meter 25 centimeter. So we will write here 2 meter 25 centimeter. And what is the breadth? 1 meter 50 centimeter is the breadth, right? Now what we will be doing, students, we will solve the bracket first, as we know that we need to follow the board mass formula. So according to the board mass, B represents bracket, it means we will solve the bracket first. So here 2 meter and 1 meter, when we will add them, it will be 3 meter, and 25 plus 50 centimeter will be 75 centimeter. Now what we will be doing, we will multiply this with 2. So here when we multiply by 2, so we will be getting 50 centimeter and 7 meter. So the perimeter of the tabletop will be 7 meter 50 centimeter. Okay students. Now the second question here is side of square is 20 meter. What is given? That the side is 20 meter and we need to find the perimeter. We know that the side of the perimeter of square is 4 into side. It means in place of side, what we can substitute? Side with 20 meter, because the side of square is given as 20 meters, right? So what we will be doing here for the solution 2, we will write that side of square is equals to 20 meter as it is given in the question. Now we know that the perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiply side, right? Now 4 multiply side means 4 multiply 20, and 4 multiply 20 is 80 meters. So what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 80 meters. Now students, the third question is an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. What it is? Equilateral triangle, and the side given is 9 centimeter. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3 multiply side. Okay. So for the third part, what we will do? We will write here that the side of an equilateral triangle, side of an equilateral triangle is equals to, what it is given? 9 centimeter. So we will write here 9 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out its perimeter. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3 multiply side, because in the triangle there are 3 sides and all the sides are equal, so that's why we will be doing 3 multiply side. Now 3 multiply, in place of side we can write 9 centimeter. So what we will be getting, students? 9 3s will be 27. So 27 centimeter is the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose side is 9 centimeter, right? Now the fourth one is side of regular hexagon is 6 centimeter. What does regular hexagon mean, students? As I told you, regular means when all the sides of the figure are equal, and hexagon is 6 side figure, right? So we have to find out the perimeter of regular hexagon whose side is 6 centimeter. So students, according to this formula, what will be the perimeter of hexagon? As I told you, what we will write? Number of sides. So how many sides does a regular hexagon have? Hexagon has 6 sides. So 6 we will multiply by side. So 6 multiply by side, because it is regular hexagon. Okay. So for the solution fourth, we will write that side of regular hexagon is given as side of regular hexagon is equals to 6 centimeter. It is given to be 6 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Perimeter of regular hexagon we have to find out. So perimeter of regular hexagon is equals to, as I told you, that first of all we need to write the number of sides. So in a hexagon 6 sides are there. Multiply the length of side. So what is the side? Side is 6 centimeter. So students, here 6 6 will be 36. So the perimeter of regular hexagon is 36 centimeter, whose side was 6 centimeter, right? So students, this is your topic related to perimeter. Hope to see in the next video students. Till then, take care. Bye bye.